In this video, I discuss data types in Solidity. So we can start writing a Solidity smart contract. First, I wrote Pragma Solidity, the version, and all the versions more than this version is supported. And let's try to develop write a smart contract with various types of data we can use in Solidity. Solidity is a statistically typed language. It is not like JavaScript. In JavaScript, if you define a variable using var keyword, so you can have different types of data. It's dynamically typed language. But if you take Java, you have to clearly define data types using string, float, boolean, using reserved keywords. So it's a statistically typed language like Solidity. And also Solidity provides several elementary types which can be combined to form complex data types like arrays, string, and structure, struct, things like that. We'll discuss them later. And also when you pass variables in Solidity, variables are passed by value. That is, they are always copied when they are used as function arguments or in assignments. They are these variables passed by value. They are copied, that is, they are always copied when they are used as function arguments or in assignments. That is a very important point. Okay, let's try to develop a simple smart contract with to define various types of various data types. Contract var. That's the name of the smart contract. So var types contract. You're free to give any name for this smart contract. And okay, first let's try to define fixed size data types. Fixed size data types. What are the fixed size data types? And Solidity, let's say uint, and again boolean, bool, or say it's ready. Yeah, that's the boolean variable. And what is it called? Address, and bytes 32. Let's call it data. Okay, and these are the fixed size data types used in Solidity. And let's try to find variable size. Variable data types. String is a variable type, and bytes, and uint is an array of integers. Data is an array of integers. And also if you consider mapping and the map, the maps have key value data pairs. Address to string, map, and what else? Then again you can have user defined data types, like in Java, you can define your own data structures, and also in C, you know, struct, and again enumerated data types you can define in C language. So here Solidity supports structs and enum. Structs employee. If you want to define employee in a structure, you can have different types of data in the structure. For example, integer data type you can have, and again you can address. You can have different types of data, and string, and you can have, for example, an array uint, and let's define uint. Okay, IDs of team members. Okay, something like that. Team and this is how you define a structure. You can use the keyword struct, and you can give any name, and you can have different types of data. And enum, it's like, okay, if you want to define your own terms, you can use enum to define that. For example, color, you can say blue, red, green. Okay, you can have user-defined types. So these are the basics regarding data types you can use in Solidity. We can discuss more in future examples.